Hello guys! Have a nice day! So today, it's July 17. Yan. So July 17 guys. So ngayon lang muna kami nagpasok. This is the first day of our school because we didn't able to go to school last Monday and Tuesday because the kid is not quite feeling well. So this is it guys. Since today is Wednesday, today is wash day in school. So we used to walk here in the street just to catch up with the local commute and the corner. Alright guys, that is my Franco over there with my dog Manny. Good morning everyone! Please to all of you watching this video guys, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and at Daphne and Victoria 777, and please like as well. Have a wonderful day. This is my Franco over here, and his class is whole day, which is started at 7 in the morning and end 4 p.m. So, ayan guys, nakasakay na si Franco. Bye, Frank! Love you! Dungan na mo niya tulo, ha? Ay! Ay, sus naman, ay! Ang cute-cute! Cute-cute naman ni Manitan! Kaya! So, meet my dog, guys. It's Manny. Manny. Come here. Manny. Manny. Talagang very Manny. Small lang po talaga yung dog na yan. Never po yan talaga maglaki. Uy. Small but very dog because it's very active talaga, guys. Super makulit. And he is also my walking buddy here in our place. Pero minsan, as you see, may katigasan din siya ng ulo, guys. Kasi ayaw pa niyang umuwi. Paglalabas talaga ako, especially maghatid ako sa kids in the corner. He always want to go with me. That's why. So, here it is guys, it's already 12, so Victoria and my Jolo is preparing for their school, which is only half day. Half day lang po yung school nila, from 12:15 to 4:15 in the afternoon. So, today, their Kuya will drive them to school, alright? My elders will drive them to school, their Jolo and my Victoria. So, I don't need to go out to drop them in the corner to find them commuters, which is kakilala ko lang din, okay? For them to drive to school. Okay, so safe ako ngayon kasi ihatid sila ng kuya nila. Ayan, very excited na po si Victoria because as I said, hindi po sila nag-school last Monday and Tuesday, kaya yung naupuan nila is last seat na po sila sa room, but it's okay na naman. So, while waiting for their Kuya, guys, Victoria is playing here again in her mini house toys and kitchens. Hello guys, as you see here, si Jolo, madali lang po talagang maboard yan. You know, my third son, Jolo here. And every time he have a spare time talaga, nasa bula talaga yan because he really loves basketball. So, ayan guys. So, yan. Magmotor lang muna sila kasi yung car nila po talaga nabinta po sa father. Okay? So, yan. Magtiis lang muna tayo ng 2 wheels. So, hello guys. Hindi ko po talaga na-capture agad yung pagdating nila guys sa paghatid nila sa commute na taga doon sa school. O, yan. So, hindi ko talaga na-capture yan. Si Victoria talaga guys. Every time she came home, first, yun talaga yung ginahag nila is cat before me. Okay? Kasi yan po talaga, she really love cats a lot. Actually, she's the owner of all my cats here. So, ayan, it's already afternoon here, guys. They came home around 5 p.m. na. Okay? So, when it's already 5 p.m., so they go together back to our house. Pag uwian na talaga ng hapon, magsabayan na yan silang tatlo, guys. So, kilala naman sila sa school doon, okay? Ayan. So, thank you for watching, guys. God bless you all. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.